Hi everyone, I'm Coach Johnson Shua, and first of all, I would like to greet everyone 新年快乐, 恭喜发财. So happy Chinese New Year and welcome to the year of the wooden snake. So this year, wooden snake, what are the things that we're gonna expect? Number one is a snake year. We can say this is a creation year and also a transformation year. Okay? So pag sinabi niyong creation, that means this year kasi there's a lot of creativity na pwede mangyari for the year. Okay? So if you're planning more on about like doing new things, new plans, and new ideas, especially if you're starting up a new business, okay, this year is a very good year para sa atin lahat. And also para sa mga naghahanap din ng mga good opportunity. Because when you say creation, there's a lot of mga new strategy na pwede rin mangyari para for the year. Although, ng things na kailangan natin magbantayan, no? Kasi maraming opportunity, but we need to be more precise sa mga decisions natin. Kailangan maging firm lang tayo sa mga ating target goal. Okay? And also, this year is a transformation year. When you say transformation, that means marami rin po mga possible changes na pwede mangyari. Although, alam ko po na marami po sa atin medyo scared, no? Pag narinig po natin salitang changes, okay? Pero yung nga lang po, ang pinakatinuturo po sa atin ng snake, as it shed also its skin, okay? Dapat po matuto rin tayo mag-let go of ng mga some of the mga negative things at medyo mas more kailangan i-absorb natin at mag-adapt tayo sa mga bagong pangyayari. And also this year, ang medyo kailangan lang po natin ingatan, number one is our health. Okay? Kailangan po mas more maging health conscious tayo. Iwasan lang po natin ng mga lifestyle, okay? Na pwede tayo magkasakit. Kailangan po huwag tayo masyado magpa-stress at medyo chillax lang po tayo for the year of the wooden snake. Hello Global Pinoys, this is Coach Johnson Shua. Follow GMA Pinoy TV for more Chinese forecast updates.